All right, here we are at a tortilla factory on the East End. Tortilla Zacatecas. Now, this is a good location, and one of the first things in real estate when you open a convenience store or outlet or anything is three rules. First rule, location. Second rule, location. And third, most important, the location. You can see this is in a good location, real busy, so they get a lot of business. I got friends they swear up and down this tortilla factory. So we're gonna turn it off and turn it back on once we get inside, so show you what they got inside. This is where they sell the yellow corn tortilla. All right, once inside, you can see they got a lot of bread, sweet bread, Mexican sweet bread cokes. And they got chips, tortilla, tostadas, and everything you like. I'm gonna try one of these tostadas here, the little chips, bags of chips. I'm gonna order some tortillas and try these out. And they got salsas and everything. That's about it. They got some sweets, cream cheeses and stuff. That looks good. I'm gonna get 2 packs of yellow corn tortillas. Okay, we're here in my favorite tortilla factory, micro tortilla factory in the East End, Tortilla Ruiz. So we're gonna see what they got in here, and we'll take it from there. All right, you can see why I like this place. And I can't leave here without getting me a taco. This is why I like coming here, and I also like the tortillas. Okay, here we are back at home. Just got back from buying my tortillas at the 2 different micro East End tortilla shops. What we have here, these 2 right here, and the chips are from Azteca. And what we have here, these 2 are from Ruiz. They look a little different. One looks a little charred. They're both pretty good, but I got people that swear up and down with Azteca, and I got people that are dedicated to Ruiz. I personally like Ruiz because you could get the little taco. They got a little hot plate there, and if you want sweet bread, well, we go to the other one. You got sweet bread there, and the chips are pretty good. I already tried them. I got my salsa there. I just tried some in a little bit. I'm fixing to have me a little snack. The chips are pretty good. One thing I know about Fiesta, I bought some chips at Fiesta, and the chips had a light taste of sweet bread. I think the oil they fried them in was infused with sweet bread, so when you took the bite of the chip, you got a sense of sweet bread, and I didn't like that, so I never bought them there again. I always buy them from either one of these 2 places, and the chips are pretty good, consistent, they're crispy, and they're real good. So that's about the only place I buy chips, unless I make them myself, but I'd rather just buy them. And there's a real important thing. You got to lay these tortillas out when you buy them. You got to slap them down like this while they're warm, and once they cool off, you package them up, because if you leave them warm like that, they're gonna get clunked up, and they won't be good. You put them in the freezer, so you let them cool down like that, then you package them up. I put half of them in the freezer and save the other half, and we'll probably do some flautas later. That'll be another episode, or they'll come up after this, but sure enough, these are the tortillas I get and where I get them. Alrighty, I just finished laying out my tortillas. I'll mix them together. It's no big deal. They're basically the same tortilla. And I go to each one. They're both just as good. If I'm in a hanking for sweet bread, Mexican sweet bread, then I go to Zacatecas. And if it's convenient for me, I'll hit it there. But if I want a couple of tacos and I'm hungry, then I go to, or happen to be at Sellers shopping, then I go across the street to Ruiz. And it's just as good. But there I get some tacos, and basically the tortillas are the same. Good little micro tortilla factories on the East End, and both of them are just as good. And those are the only 2 that I go to. Okay, but I got friends that swear up and down for Zacatecas. I got other friends that swear up and down for Ruiz. But as far as I'm concerned, they're both just as good. And what I do now, I lay them all out, cool off, then I package them up, save some for the refrigerator, and I put the rest in the freezer in packages. That way I take them out as we use them. Okay, and later on we got some episode coming, making some flautas, and that's going to be a real good episode. So I'll talk to y'all later. Y'all have a good day.